Hello little tiny tots. So today we are going to learn about the birds. Birds fly high in the sky. What helps them to fly? Their wings. Now let's learn their names. Okay? The first one is your beautiful peacock. It is our national bird also. In Hindi we call it more. Next is pigeon. Pigeon is कबूतर. Owl. Owl को हम उल्लू भी कहते हैं. Next is skylark. Skylark को चातक बोलते हैं. कुकू. कुकू को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कोयल. Next is hummingbird. Okay. Now the next one is your sparrow. Sparrow को बोला जाता है गोरैया. Okay. Now next is crow. Crow को कौवा. मकाओ काकातुआ. Parrot तोता. ईमू. ईमू को ईमू ही बोलते हैं. और ईगल. ईगल को बोलते हैं हम लोग बाज. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज योर काइट. काइट को चील. होपोई. इट्स योर हुदहुद. वल्चर. वल्चर इज गिद्ध. Quail. Quail is बटेर. Now the next is woodpecker. Woodpecker is कनफोड़वा. Next is cock. Cock is मुर्गा. Next is flamingo. Flamingo is also known as rajhans. We call rajhans in Hindi. The next one is tailor bird. Okay, see how beautiful nest she made, just like a tailor. Now its Hindi name is baya. The next one is ostrich. Ostrich lay biggest eggs. It's also called shaturmurg. Next one is your robin. Robin, we call robin as sarika. Next is tokotoucan. And the last one is penguin. You know where the penguin lives? Yes, it lives in the glaciers. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.